Is there a 300 pip plus move coming to USDCAD? Hello traders, welcome to Forex Trading Ideas. Let's review USDCAD today. Let's look at it on the daily chart. So I'm going to begin here with the very obvious. We can see that price is in a tight range on the daily chart. It looks to me like it's coiling for an explosion. That explosion, will it be to the upside? Will it be to the downside? I still haven't seen anything on this chart that will suggest the direction it will explode out. If you have a thought, please leave it in a comment. I'd like to hear what you think. But I do believe once it comes outside of this box, whatever direction it chooses to go, it's going to run pretty strong in that direction. So we're looking at potentially 300 pip move. So one of the things I like to look for to kind of get a indication of which way it may break is we look for a strong bar that is, doesn't matter the direction, but it was open and strong to that direction. But we've seen many of these so far. We saw this bar here that took us into the area, which is the first bar, and it opened and it moved one direction for the entire day, which was up. Then there was a little bit of a slowdown here, a little bit of a slowdown here. All of these just grinding it out. Then we saw one bar here where it opened and it was pretty strong to the downside. But the very next day, next 3-4 days, price moved back up, which kept us inside of this range. Then we saw this bar here also had a pretty strong open and moved to the downside, one direction for the day, which was then followed by 4 more days of down and back and forth, flipping strong to the upside, strong to the downside, strong to the upside, grinding it out here. But then today, most recently closed bar was open and strong to the downside. There is no wick on the top. There is no wick on the bottom. However, don't feel excited about that. Don't feel a particular direction because price is just grinding in here. So what I'll do now is I'll bring in my EMAs. I like to use the 21, 100, and 200 EMA. And the way I like to use it is many different ways. There's some nuances to this, but one version that I like to look at it is playing out right now, and that is when all three EMAs are within range of each other and they virtually become equal. So right now we can see the 100 and 200 are equal. I find that when all three of these EMAs come together, we saw an example over here, we saw it over here as well. When they come together and they become one, almost virtually equal in value, once price chooses a side on that, then we see strong impulsive moves to that side. If they choose a side and you don't see strong impulsive moves, then it wasn't quite ready to go. But so one, they have to come together, be virtually equal, and two, it chooses a side above it or below it, and then three, it impulsively moves away from all three. So it's still grinding, it's still putting it in. I don't see much yet happening here. So I don't have a trade open right now in USDCAD. I'm just waiting on a direction to be chosen, and then try to get in and ride that direction. Thanks for watching. I'd love to hear from you. What you think would happen with USDCAD, what tools or indicators you might be using to gaining some insight. One, please leave a comment with your opinion if you think price is going to move up outside of this yellow box, or if you think price will move down below this yellow box. Please click the like button if you like this video. Please click the subscribe button. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.